tayo ng labong and malunggay. Masarap na ulam. Our sahog would be inihaw na bangus belly kapinay. Dalawa yan. At ang ating pangpaalat, syempre, Filipino, Ilocano cooking is bagoong. But whatever you prefer, you could use patis. But since Ilocano itong nagluluto, bagoong ang gagamitin natin. Alright. This is canned bamboo shoot. 4 regular cans. I rinse it first 3 times and then put fresh water and salt. Papakuluan natin ito. Pag kumulo na, maybe after 2 to 3 minutes na kumukulo, then we will throw the water and rinse it again and then pakuluan natin ulit. Yung pangalawang pakulo natin, yun na ang ating sabaw kapinay. So we will boil this first and then rinse. Okay, kapinay, pakuluan na natin ang ating labong. The purpose of this is to remove the preservatives or lessen the preservatives if there is. And kung merong amoy na masangsang kagaya ng ibang canned bamboo shoots, it will remove it also. Kaya pakulo natin after boiling, maybe we leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, habang nagpapakulo, we will prepare our ginger. Kasi isda yung ating sahog. Pag may isda, I usually put ginger on my cooking. Okay, kapinay, let's check our labong. It's been boiling for a while na. Alisin na natin, kapinay. It's already cooked, but we have to remove the water. We have to rinse our bamboo shoot, kapinay. Okay, alisin na natin. Turn off the heat. And we're gonna rinse our bamboo shoot, kapinay. That's what I do. Ayan. Then we will rinse the labong after. And then boil it again and that would be our juice. Okay, our bamboo shoot is already rinsed. We put a new fresh water to boil. That would be our juice. Lagay na natin ng ginger, luya. Since we are going to put fish sauce or bagoong, we need to put luya, kapinay. And our sahog, to cook with it is inihaw na bangus. Boneless inihaw na bangus. It's a milkfish belly, kapinay. So we will let it boil, and then when it boils, we will put our fish sauce. Okay, let's cook. Yummy food, yummy food. Okay, kapinay. Our bamboo shoot is been boiling. Kaya ilagay na natin ang ating bagoong, kapinay. Ayan o. Sagsagin natin ang ating bagoong. Ayun. Ayan o. Oh. Para mas madaling matunay yung ating bagoong isda. Ayun. Oh, diba? Madali. Malinamnam. At saka walang tinik. You know, oh, tunaw na tunaw, kapinay. Bagoong isda. Oh, you know. Clean. Lagyan na rin natin yung ating sabaw niya. Oh, mami taste, kapinay. Oh, nadurog ng konti yung ating bangus. Mas masarap. Ayun, oh, masarap ang sabaw nito, kapinay. Sarap yan. Kunin natin yung sabaw ng bagoong pampalinamnam. Yun. At Ako'y tululaway na nagluluto dito ah. Okay, lutuin natin yung ating bagoong kapinay. Sa akin, kay matunaw yung ating sahog o hindi, okay lang. Kasi wala naman ng, it's boneless naman, so it's alright. Mas malinamnam pag natunaw yung ating sahog. Yun, sarap. Tikman natin yung ano mamaya, alat niya. Alright, pakuluan natin at lutuin natin bagoong kapinay. Tikman natin. Sandali na lang yan. Kasi luto na yung ating labong. Kaya ang lutuin natin ay yung bagoong. Para mas malinamnam. Okay, balikan natin. Okay, let's check again, kapinay. Ayan. Let's taste our saltiness. Luto na. Let's taste it. Sarap, malinamnam. Lasang bangus. Ayos. We're gonna put our malunggay kapinay. Moringa. The Moringa Magic. One of the healthy vegetables. It's getting famous now. Moringa is getting famous now for the health fanatics. Or should I say for the health conscious people. They have recognized malunggay as one of the best vegetables in the world. You could have moringa tablet now too. Buy moringa powder. Moringa and bamboo shoot. Sarap. But Asians have been eating moringa. It's famous in the Philippines, malunggay. Yan, sarap. Okay. Lutuin muna natin yung sa ilalim and then haluin natin kapinay. Alright, sarap yan. Ayan, oh, sarap yan. Oh my Lord. Sarap yan, kapinay. The best. The Moringa Magic. The Moringa Magic, kapinay. Sarap. Ganyan natin muna konti. Sarap. Wow. Masarap na ulam, kapinay. Check again. Wow, sarap. Wow. Moringa and labong. Oops. With sahog is bangos. Yan. Moringa magic. Sarap. Ayan, kapinay, luto na yung ating malunggay. You know, sarap. Wow, this is so good. The best ulam in the world. Malunggay at labong. Sarap. Okay, tikman natin. Luto na. Sarap yan, kapinay. Sarap yan. Man natin, kapinay. Yun. Oops. Man natin. Oopsie. Wow, sarap. 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 Okay, kapinay. Kain na tayo. Sarap. Okay, kapinay. Another Filipino dish cooked, done. Turn off the heat. Ayan o. Masarap na ulam, kapinay. Labong at malunggay. Sarap ng sabaw. Matamis-tamis. Okay, thank you for watching and enjoy your cooking, kapinay. Ayan o. Sarap. Yummy. Thank you.